So we had KingCast Mobile Studios out yesterday on our way to Dover, New Hampshire, when we were drive us, interrupt us, because the case we found out was not going forward for Marie Miller. Now you remember Marie Miller, she was the woman who was involved in the Jean Ingress case as a supporter. That's the one where the lawyers came out and told me to shut the camera down and all that. And they still haven't produced any original documents in that case either, despite promising to have them. In any event, this is what we were able to ascertain yesterday. There was a joint motion hearing going forward. Looks like there was, some aggression by Nationstar, and it got shut down. I guess Judges Tucker and Brown weren't available. They had already recused themselves, so they're not available. And then Judge Wegling, a former AAG, as am I, was also not able to attend. So what we have here is a failure to communicate, because this should never happen. What's more troubling, though, is this order, this standing order out here for Nationstar to produce the original documents that was never adhered to, as far as I can tell. So what's up with that? I'll find out one day. I can't prove it in this case about them postponing this hearing. It is kind of weird how they got this far. And we don't even know what kind of hearing it is. We got to call and find out what it's called. What was it called? Right. A motion to what? A motion to make her go away hearing? I don't know what it was. But in any event, they don't like video. And I'm not saying that's part of the reason why this happened today. But they don't like it.
But they didn't know we were videotaping
until he called them.
No, so it's a side benefit.
Yeah.
Actually, but we don't know that though because it's on my blog. Remember?
Oh.
Sure. They read that.
Do they?
I don't think they would want to.
Yeah.
They'd have a group.
All of them read that shit. Because I have a tracker that tells me when
really?
people are reading that shit. And they're reading that shit. So, they had a court order already, in that case, that ordered the production of the original documents for foreclosure. And they never did. So now here we are here. Now here's Mike Gannon.
They allegedly sold the house.
Right. Now here's Mike Gannon the other day in Nashua.
They didn't bankrupt the bank.
Mr. Gannon, what were you just telling me?
Oh, Mr. Attorney Steve Maynard come out and said they don't press the case and they wanted to do it all before the judge came out because they didn't want it to be put on YouTube.
I love it.
Yeah.
Well, the longer they continue with her case on the other level and your case too, they're going to wind up on YouTube if they don't drop the charges, Yeah. And then when you sue them civilly, you're going to wind up on YouTube again.
Right. So it's going to be a good association with YouTube.
There you go. Stupid is as stupid does.
Yeah.
So then you have this. All right, he comes forward now, and this is the letter. They're supposed to return his truck to him that they've been
Mr. Gannon, you're showing me this agreement here. It looks like they said they agreed by the middle paragraph. It looks like they agreed to return the truck.
There it is.
What it says, it was dated 6/28.
Yeah.
And I got the court's, the state's signature, my son's signature, the state's signature, and his attorney's signature.
Right.
And then on this page here is basically his attorney trying to get a hold of the police department with disagreement. And
that's the one I've seen, right?
And that's the one you see.
Right. Unbelievable.
And neither one of these pieces of paper seem to be getting me my truck.
Right.
Nope.
They don't even want to look at it.
I'm not surprised. Why am I not surprised?
Oh, we're in New Hampshire, live for your die state.
Seems like they like to confiscate property around here.
They do.
There's an agreement to photograph it and give me my truck, and I agree to retain it. Retain it in my possession.
Folks, let's get real about New Hampshire. It's not the live for your die state. Okay, they don't care about the law up there. It's entirely lawless. And if you're a big bank, you're going to have your way. And the police, look, any of them will take whatever you've got if they can. And they don't care what a court order says. They don't care what their promises say. They just don't care. So I'm just here to document it. And that's all. Nothing more, nothing less. KingCast.net, holding up the First Amendment.